write the spelling. Okay, and now please mute yourself. Or if you mute yourself, Shashwat, mute yourself. Because even if you people don't speak, there's a lot of disturbance in the background. So it's better you mute yourselves. We call out your name and then only you will speak. Very good. Avinash sir, I think you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was also doing some work, so.
Okay. I think there are only 11 of them right now. What do you think? Should we wait or should we start?
And we should wait for 2 minutes more. Then we'll start.
I think so. Aprajita, please mute yourself. Good morning. Mute yourself. I think we should wait for another 2 minutes.
Yes. Today I'm leaving for the village, no?
Acha, today only you are going, no?
Because
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday we are free. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
that's the okay. I'll be there for Monday, Tuesday.
Yes, ma'am. How is everyone at home, ma'am?
They're good.
This is not a choice.
How's your baby?
How is Sean? She's fine, becoming naughtier day by day.
God bless her.
How's Sean now? He's feeling better?
Yeah, he's better. Now he's not saying that he's feeling pain in his stomach.
He must have taken his medicine, no?
Yeah. So, ma'am, we can just give them a brief that today what we are going to.
We can give a brief. Okay, now all of you please listen carefully. Today what we are going to do is, I have done this activity once before also. The students now in class 5, when they were in class 3, they must be remembering, I have done this activity in Saturday activity class. I will give you one line and you have to build the story. Like one child will say one line, then the other will continue. In this way, we are going to build a story. It is a story building class today. It will increase your thinking power, how to build a story, how to frame sentences. The main focus of the day is how to build sentences, how to build your vocabulary. Okay, so it is a very interesting activity, and you yourself will notice that you all have only made the story, and by the time we reach to the end, it comes out to be a very beautiful story. I had done once this activity before also, and that time also the end was really beautiful. You all have great imaginative powers inside you. It is just that you need to bring it out.
Correct, ma'am.
Okay, I think sir, we should start it already 11:06. Let's see, everybody will join in with me. Why should they wait? Okay, so now see what supposingly the first line of the story is, I'll tell you the first line, like the two frogs. So how will you continue? Chalo, I'll add the first line. The two frogs were roaming in the jungle. Full stop. This is the first sentence. Now Aditi will speak the other line. She will think and tell the other line of the story. Then after that, other person, then other person, and this way we are going to build a story. Is it clear? Wherever you will get stuck up, I and Avinash sir will help you. But try to continue with the story, and by the end of the story, if we do not reach the end with these many children, we'll again keep on adding till the time we reach to the end of the story. Okay, let's start, then you will understand a little better. Okay, now I am saying the first line, then Aditi will add on the second line. After that, Aprajita, then I'll tell you the sequence. Okay, so the first line of the story is, all of you please listen. Today you only have to listen, not to speak much. Okay, so the first line of the story is, the two frogs were roaming in the jungle. I'm repeating, the two frogs. Build the other line, the second line of the story. Think of anything. Yes.
The two, then they saw when
They saw a
hole
Whole. H-O-L-E, whole. Aditi, just keep this mic little away from your mouth. Keep this mic little away from your mouth. Your voice is echoing. इसको थोड़ा दूर करो मुंह से. Now speak. Then they saw a.
Ma'am, she was saying whole.
They saw a
Hole. Okay. So the two frogs were roaming in the. Okay, Aditi, we got you. Thank you. So now the two frogs were roaming in the jungle. Then suddenly they saw a hole. Okay, 2 lines are there. Okay, Aprajita, can you tell me the third line?
Yes, ma'am.
Please continue. What would have they done when they saw the hole? क्या किया? What would have they done? Or they just went by? You can add on anything related to the story.
They saw a hole and they went in it.
Okay. Then they saw the hole and then they went inside it. Okay. Then I think Vaibhavi, will you continue now? Vaibhavi,
Yes, ma'am.
please continue now. The story is like this. The two frogs were roaming in the jungle. Then they saw the hole. Then they suddenly saw the hole and they went inside the hole. See, it is a very good plot coming up. What happened when they went inside the hole? You can make a very beautiful line. Please continue, Vaibhavi.
They saw a group of ants collecting food for winter.
Okay, they saw a group of ants, no?
Yes, ma'am.
When they went inside the hole, they saw a group of ants inside the hole. Okay, good. Arsham, can you continue now? You have already done this before, the story building. So now continue, please add on. When they went inside the hole, they saw a group of ants. Then what happened?
Ma'am, when they went inside the hole,
Asham, it's not necessary that you have to add in anything which is practical. You can add anything which is like fantasy.
It is an imaginative story, beta. Kuch bhi you can add related to the story, of course.
when they saw ants, they started jumping.
Yes, they started jumping. Okay, they saw the group of ants and the two frogs started jumping. Okay, Sanjeevni of class 4, please continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Please continue. When the two frogs went inside the hole, they saw a group of ants inside the hole and they started jumping. Now please continue. Please add on 1 line to the story. It can be an imaginative part, huh? Good.
Then they saw a big one, and then
See, they were jumping. So you have to continue after jumping. Jumping के बाद क्या हुआ होगा?
then when the ants when
Let us speak.
yes sir when they started
It's okay, beta. Take your time.
Take your time. No issues.
It's okay.
they started
When they saw the ants, they started jumping. Then what did they thought? They might have thought of eating the ants. They might have thought of killing the ants. They might have thought ki let's leave and go. They might have got scared. Why did they started jumping? There are so many things you can add on. Why they started jumping? They started jumping because they were scared of ants. They got very scared. They got frightened of the ants. See, children, I am not doing anything. You people are building the story and it is coming out very good. I just gave you 1 line. And now you talented creatures are building the story. I'm not doing anything. It is you people who are doing. Okay. So after seeing the ants, they started jumping because they got very frightened. They were very scared of the ants. Okay, Arav, can you add on the one line? Can you add one beautiful line to the story? Meaningful? Arav, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, should I repeat the story for you? See, it is a story. There were two frogs. They were roaming in the jungle. Suddenly, they saw a hole and they went inside the hole. Okay, and when they went inside the hole, they saw a group of ants there. And when they saw the ants, they started jumping because they were very scared of ants. Now, continue. Add one line to the story.
Ma'am, ants are scared with persons.
No, ants. See, Arav. The frogs got scared. Frogs डर गए थे. The frogs got scared of the ants. Ants से frogs डर गए थे. उसके बाद, if you could just add one line to the story.
Ma'am,
Okay, it's okay.
ants scared with bat. Ants scared with frog.
Okay, Arav, you do one thing. Since you have just now joined, you listen first what is happening in the class, and I'll give you chance afterwards. Okay. Who is this? Sorry, Sanjeevni of class 3. Sanjeevni of class 3. If you could just add one line to the story now. Sanjeevni, you're not audible, beta. Please speak loudly. The frogs.
The frog came out of the hole.
Okay, so what happened? Since these frogs are very scared of ants, so they quickly came out of the hole. The frogs came out of the hole. Okay. Frogs came out of the hole. Now what happened? Shreyansh, can you hear me? Okay, now what happened? Now frogs came out of the hole. Then what happened? Shreyansh, can you hear me? Others, please mute. Only Shreyansh will unmute himself. Others, please mute themselves. Please mute yourself. Lot of disturbance. Okay. Now, Shreyansh, please tell, when the frogs came out of the hole, what happened? Add one line to the story quickly. Quickly add one line to the story. You can add anything. They came out of the hole. Then what happened? They might have felt hungry. They were scared. So they went to their mother. Anything you can add, beta. Kuch bhi add karo. They were hungry. They were searching for food. They were thirsty. They were searching for water. They were very scared. So they went to their mother. And then they, or ye bhi ho sakta hai, when they came out of the hole, they met a lion. Anything you can add. It's an imaginative story.
Ma'am, frog was very scared. Then went to the.
Then they went
to his mother.
To their mother. Okay. So when these frogs came out of the hole, they were very scared and they went to their mother. Okay. Advika, please continue. And Shreyansh, now mute yourself. Thank you. Advika, please continue. First unmute yourself and then continue.
When they have gone to their mother, they have told that they are scared from the frog.
We already know that they are scared of the frog. Then they went to their mother. Then what happened? We already know that they are scared of the ants. So they went to their mother. Now, what happened when they went to their mother? क्या हुआ वहाँ पर?
When they went to their mother, the mother asked them what happened.
Okay, so when they went to their mother, when these two frogs went to their mother, so their mother was very, she was very concerned about them, and she asked, what happened? Why you two both are very scared? She asked them, why you both are very scared? Okay. Ansh Mathur? Ansh Mathur, can you hear me? Ansh, can you hear me?
Ansh, are you there?
Okay, let it be. Mishti, can you hear me? Mishti, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please continue. Now the mother of the frogs were very concerned. She was very worried, and she asked the two frogs what happened, why they are scared. Now, please continue. Yes, Mishti, continue. You can add anything. Think of an imaginative story. You have stories in English literature, no? So think what might have happened. They have told the entire thing to their mother. Then their mother has said that you are frogs. You should not be scared of ants. Or their mother would have told that you did a very good job. You came out of there because ants would have eaten you. आप कुछ भी हो सकता है. It's an imaginative story. Think.
Mishti, you can take your time.
Samiksha, children, you all will get chance. Okay, Mishti, you want some time? It's okay. You take some time. I'll come back to you. Okay. Samiksha, can you add one line?
The frog told the mother what happened in the jungle.
Yes, in the jungle. So the frogs told their mother what happened in the jungle. Okay. Then Rajveer, if you could add one line, then what happened? What did mother told now? The frogs have told what has happened in the jungle. Now what did mother do?
Did very good job to
You did very good job, and you came out of the job, and you came out of the jungle. You came out of the hole. Okay. Anybody else who was left? Acha, I can see some of you. Shashwat. Now, Shashwat, if you could add one line.
Both went to the forest with their mother.
Sorry, I cannot understand. What did you say?
He's framing the.
No, why are you framing the question? That is my fault. Shashwat, why are you framing the questions? The story is not yet complete. The mother said, very good that you came out of the jungle. Now you continue with the story. Why are you making questions? Why are you framing questions? Continue with the story. Shashwat.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can speak.
Shashwat, please speak. Aradhe will get chance. We are not yet completed. We are not yet done. Have patience, beta. Listen to the story. Yes, Shashwat.
Ma'am, I can take time.
Oh, add quickly. Tell one line.
The mother said, "Eat some food and go." And suddenly, a crocodile had
Oh,
attacked.
beta, you need to repeat your line. There was some disturbance. You said the mother offered them some food, and then what happened?
And that mother said, "Go and play on the lotus leaf." And then suddenly, a crocodile came from the back and attacked the frog.
Okay, he has given a very good twist to the story. He's saying the mother offered them some food and asked them to go and play outside. But suddenly, what happened? The crocodile came from the back and they attacked the two frogs. Okay, good one. Uh, who's left now? Who is this? Seema Avasthi? Acha, Aradhya. Okay, okay. Advika. Okay. Who is this Ram Pratap Yadav?
Ma'am, Rajiv.
Okay, Rajiv Samiksha is done. Okay, who is this Rishi Raj Tandon?
Ma'am, Sharan.
Okay, Saransh, then continue now.
Sarah, which class, ma'am? He's in which?
Class 3, sir. Class 3. Webby's brother. Okay, Saransh, now continue. Now the crocodile has attacked the two frogs.
Frog started running.
But they were attacked by the crocodile, so how can they run now? They're injured, no? So can they run?
Ma'am.
Then tell something good. They cried for help, or they might have been, what you can add. They cried for help, or they wanted to run but they could not run. Then, or this mother might have suddenly come over there. Then, how did she save the children? Or they might have died also. Anything you can add.
For help and the father come and help.
Okay, so the two frogs cried for help, and suddenly their father came there. Okay. Who is this Ram Pratap Yadav? Again, I'm asking.
Ma'am, my Rajveer and my sister Samisha.
Okay. And Rishi Raj Tandon, there's so much confusion between these two names. Who is this Rishi Raj Tandon? Anybody who has not got the chance, who is this Mamta Kaushal?
Ma'am, Swastik.
Okay, now Swastik, please add one line and try to finish up the story now, because most of you have done with the story. So try to finish it off. So the father came there and saved their children. Now just add one line, Shashwat. Sorry, what's your name?
Swastik, ma'am.
Swastik, huh?
Their father took them to home.
Their father helped the frogs and took them to their home. And then what else you can add? Just your father came, helped the frogs and took them to the home. Then anybody else who wants to add one line?
Ma'am,